So, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So, I am driving Venue 1.5 CRDI engine and very peppy engine, instant pickup, and clutch very light. Company offer one ADAS level 1 and some features giving to front collision warning, lane keep assist, high beam assist, and company offers 6 airbags, hill descent controls, an electric sunroof, push start buttons, and also uh, car deliver 140 PS power and 250 Newton meter torque. So torque and power is enough, an instant boost to just put the accelerator pedal and just enjoy the drive. Very quick, instant, very quick power delivered. And let's talk about the safety features. So ABS, EVD, and brake assist. So some feature are giving to this company Hyundai. And one more thing, six way power adjusted seats, uh, manual and